is not doing the best, it is doing your best. Hello everyone, I welcome you to St. Xavier High School, Bharni, a school where teachers and students have passion for learning, where problems are considered opportunity to learn and grow, a school where teachers are passionate to create a connection between learners' spiritual, ethical, social, cognitive, mental and physical well-being. St. Xavier High School, Bharni is a co-educational senior secondary boarding school affiliated with CBSE New Delhi. The school has a serene and beautiful campus in natural ambience and has modern infrastructure and aesthetically designed beautiful hostel for boys and girls.
Academics is always considered as a backbone of every institution. We always try to excel in academics. We emphasize more on competitive examinations apart from our regular syllabus. Our student excels in different areas such as medical, engineering, aviation, automobiles, and so on. More stress is given on building the base of the child. Different methodologies and in-house exams such as GMAT, General Mental Ability Test, and other competitive examinations are taken to prepare our children for future competition. More emphasis is given on technology so that our children do not suffer during this pandemic so-called COVID-19. Our children are daily engaged in online classes so that children won't suffer in their academics. We are proud to share that our alumni are in different areas such as MNCs, entrepreneur, doctors, engineers, aviations, fashion designer, models, and so on. We always support our students in their academics as well as in their career counseling.
Our middle section strives to achieve academic excellence, thereby providing an enriched niche to all the adolescent age group students. We not only raise the standards of the child in terms of academics, but also as a team, we ensure that they should be developed on life skills and vocational skills. We also give them rigorous training on sports and yoga for developing them on overall physical grounds. For raising their emotional and spiritual intelligence, we call spiritual leaders and orators from India as well as abroad. We have a structured approach and a systematic way to develop the overall personality of the child and groom them on different aspects of life so that in this competitive world they are ready to face the life battlefield. Thank you so much.
Our Montessori section is categorized by providing a prepared environment, safe, clean, eco-friendly and pleasing in appearance. In self-directed activities, hand-on learning and collaborative play, where children make creative choices in their learning. The classroom integrates students of mixed ages, grouped into a period of 3 years.
Hello and welcome all of you to our St. Xavier School, Bharni. As school building are closed, but school is not. Online admission process is still going on. For admission and inquiry, you can log in to our school website www.stxaviersbharni.in. First, parents have to register their wards by filling the registration forms. After that, you are eligible for admission. Parents can check all admission details from our school website as they can contact us 9826862004. I repeat the contact number 9826862004. Hurry up, your ward's bright future is waiting for you and limited seats are only available in our schools. Thank you.